doing today? Happy Wednesday. All right, December 11th. Just had CPI numbers out. Hey, Colm. Good to see you guys. Hey, Mia. Wendy, how's it going? Dwayne. What's up, guys? Hey, Scott. And Heath. All right. Hey, Les. I know the snapbacks look tempting here, guys, but I would just hang tight. It looks like the cable's doing big moves here, so snapbacks are always risky. I'd much rather be near the boxes for trades. If pound dollar pound yen they get back to their boxes, I'll do that. I feel a lot safer there. It's amazing though when you look, the prices stopped exactly at these band shades, but these 1 minute boxes are creeping up, and we still got clear roads up here, guys, too. So still holding at the band shades here, and the L1's coming to meet it. This could be where the break is. We've just had an expansion. If he's just noticed, see, there he goes again. The white zone is trying to expand. It's trying to break open. With that, all the band shades will lighten up then. So you really like to wait for this 5 minute. And this is, all right, this brings me to something I wanted to talk about, guys, is a lot of you, when you get alerts for the crossovers, the thing about the crossovers is I was debating whether to make it an actual trade. They do perform really well, and that's the reason why I decided to do it. In this case, the 1 minute boxes have moved away. That's showing you some movement. So a pullback kind of to this level, you see that would be a nice 5 minute entry on a trend, but it also would correspond that 5 minute, if you look at that 5 minute chart and say, oh, that's not just a 5 minute after a higher high, which is good, is what you want to see. It's a 5 minute after a higher high. That's an L1 L7 cross, the first touch after an L1. That's like a super clue for the 5 minute trend. I'd be all over this 5 minute trend, and we will be. Okay, so a 5 minute L1 L7 cross often is a better clue in an overall pattern, an overall multi-time frame pattern, like a trend trade or something like that, than it is as a standalone trade, is basically what I'm trying to say. So right now, I'm on board with some sort of cable, but I'd like to be a little lower. I don't want to be all the way up here going long, even though it is technically a 1 minute box. We do have a multi-time frame levels here that just resisted the price, so I think I would be more comfortable waiting for 5 minute levels, and the time it takes to get down there, these 5 minutes will be even creep up a little closer, probably level maybe even with this L3 on the 1 minute, which is a nice combination, or a white zone. That could be a nice little entry down here. So let's wait, and hopefully it doesn't leave the train station without us here. Pound yen already gonna go without us. I really wanted a 5 minute entry, and we didn't get it yet. I'd really like a move back to the 5 minute box, but I think if we break the high, then I think I might try a cable out on the edge here. But when it happens fast. These are the fastest moves. It's just pushing into the highs. Hasn't been this high. Okay, we just wait now. We got a bearish candle, so we can just wait. So pound yen, so it might consolidate here with that as just a high, and the lows keep getting higher into kind of like a little triangle. So that's definitely some resistance there at these. It's 1 minute. You can't see it because the band shades are on the 5 and 15 minute, which is what's blocking. That's why it's hard to trade one. You need more than one time frame, because there's nothing there. But those levels are 5 and 15 minute levels. Look at pound yen. You almost gotta try. I'm gonna try pound yen, guys. Can't help it. Alright, we're getting the higher lows. We do have some straight line resistance, but I'm looking at these roads. Here comes dollar yen a little bit higher. That might come to the rescue. If dollar yen can move up, cable can move up a little bit. Pound yen's the perfect storm. I'd love to get a break at this high. feel like if we break this Fibonacci level here, we'll break out of the gates. See, it stopped at once. You almost got to think cable too. All right, let's go. Come on. There's almost 5. There it is. Plus 5. We got clear roads. I think if this 5-minute candle can close in this level here, then we're good to go. We should get some more candles. We did sneak back under this Fibonacci level here for a moment. But our white zone did expand, by the way, on the 5 minutes. See how the white zone expanded there? And it makes all the band shades a little bit lighter. So now instead of us being inside of a B2 band shade, we're in a B1 band shade. Actually, no, this is the B1, this is the B2. So we were in a B3, now we're in a B2. In other words, the market has expanded, right? So it's kind of giving it room to breathe. It's allowing for further movement when the white zone expands like that. It's raising the support floor. Hey Jeffrey, how's it going? Good to see you, sir. We are just in this 1-minute trend trade on pound yen. We're basically playing the clear roads, higher high on the 5-minute. We've been up as much as 5 and change, almost 6. We're approaching as high as we've been. But if we can crack these highs here, we got clear roads up to 43. Okay, so up 7. We're looking at clear roads, guys. Just need some follow through. Cable's starting to move. So is Aussie now. Aussie had the better grid than Euro, and Aussie's the one moving. Here we go, plus 11. There goes cable. Now at this point, I could put a trail stop. I could have put a 4-pip trail stop on it, which means we'd be about a plus 8 minimum. We could watch it. We're in higher highs. We're coming up on the 34 is the first stop. That would give us about 16, 17 pips. We could take half off, for that matter. Lock in something. That's the same as basically putting a trade protector at plus 6. I mean, I can definitely put a plus 2 trade protector on there. But you know, I'm here watching it. So, all right, Heath is out. Good. All right, very good. All right, I've seen plus 12 max. I'm hoping Heath got close to that. Now this would be about where the 4-pip trail stop was, right? So I could do it myself if I want. Just make sure it doesn't get any lower, because it's been up 12. You always keep a manual trail stop, you know, in your mind, but you gotta actually execute it if you're gonna do it. I'd like to see it go higher, though. I don't, you know, I got faith in these roads here, so I want to let it happen. We keep pushing higher highs, so that's good. But we could get another move down to the 1-minute box and get in again. Good exit, Heath. Come on. Does seem like we should take it off. Alright, so I'm out of that one. 8 pips, but I'm not opposed to getting back in. You just gotta stick with the clear roads, guys. You gotta stick with them. They will pay off more times than they do not. Alright, Wendy got 15 on that. Excellent. I'm not opposed to doing these again at the 1-minute boxes here. I mean, if you think about it, these things have taken a little bit of time. The 5-minute boxes have creeping up and given us another level of protection. I'd much rather it be a 5-minute. I'm not gonna messer. In fact, it might need to do a 5-minute pullback soon. All right, we're literally at the 1-minute boxes, guys, on both of these. Dollar yen is, they're going to do the same thing. I mean, I think it's pretty clear they're going to do the same thing. So you're either going to win the trade together or you're going to lose the trade together. But I think I'm going to have to try it. And I also like both of these, really. They're both 11 pip difference between the 1 and 5-minute box. I'm going to wait for a dynamic type situation. In other words, bullish 1-minute candle and break above that candle for an entry. Alright, I'm going to get in cable, and I really kind of want to get in pound yen too, I ain't going to lie. But they're both 1-minute entries. So I'll just wait on one of them, and in my ad, if these pull back, I'll just get in the other one as well. Instead of adding both to pound dollar, for example, if this pulls back, then I'm sure pound yen will pull back. I'll just get in at pound yen at the 5-minute level. I mean, with the clear roads, it's set up to. It's set up to. It doesn't mean it necessarily will, but it's definitely set up to go higher from here. Alright, this may be where I put one on pound yen. I'm just going to watch the 5-minute now and wait for some sort of dynamic look to this on pound yen. Okay, Jeffrey's in at 21. Nice. I'm tempted also to try there. I am tempted. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, everything looks good. I don't like that we just had a little pullback, of course, but I mean, you have to get the pullbacks to get the 5-minute entries, right? I'll join you, Jeffrey. I'm in at 22 though, but I'll get in with you. So 5-minute trend on pound yen. So that's a, it looks just like a trend trade, just you're at the 5-minute box for the entry. So it's like a 1-minute trend. A 15-minute trend would be something down here. 15-minute box. Got a couple positive ticks there on the. We have oil news. It's not as heavily watched as it has been in the past, but it could move the market. Keeps popping up like this. Let's see if we can see some follow through on this 5-minute trend. All right, looking better. Jeffrey's got 5 on it. I'm up 4. 5-minute cable chart is looking good. You see we got a nice bullish candle forming here. Just need to get up there. And then here's the pound yen doing this similar thing. Remember we got it on the 5-minute. We're up 4 now. There it is. So I mean, all right, there's a bullish 5-minute candle close on pound yen and pound dollar. Remember that hour candle on cable and pound yen, both very strong candles. Those just closed, 20 minutes ago.